Fasting or steady meals? Which actually fuels your day? Everyone online swears one way is best, but your energy can spike or crash depending on timing and what you eat. Confusing and kinda annoying, right? Quick breakdown. Fasting can sharpen mornings for some, but it may cause afternoon dips if you're sensitive. Steady meals with protein every 3 to 4 hours often keep energy more stable. Practical test. Pick your goal, steady energy, then try one approach for a week. If you choose steady meals, focus on protein plus fiber plus healthy fat. If you try time-restricted eating, break the fast with a protein-forward meal. Track energy and focus each day. You'll see what fits you. Try a 7-day energy test and note when you feel your best.